Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so YouTube is going to notify you whenever I make a video like this. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can get your Fiverr affiliate link and start promoting. So I noticed that some of us are finding it difficult to get their Fiverr affiliate link, most especially those that is using their smartphone. And if you are using your smartphone and you are getting, you are finding it difficult to get your link, please kindly watch this video till end, and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know. And also, if you want to learn how to join Fiverr affiliate program, and start making money, so you need to watch this video till end, because at the end of this video there will be a link that a link of my video that I treat the same thing on how you can actually join Fiverr affiliate program. So you need to watch this video till end, and also grab the teaching that I'm going to do here, because it's going to help you a lot, which means you are going to learn how to get your link, and also watch the second video so you can also learn how to join Fiverr affiliate program. So keep watching this video. I'll be right back. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment. If you have any question below, just comment. I have a lot of questions that I will answer, but that will be on my next video. Alright guys, to get your Fiverr affiliate link, all you need to use is Chrome if you are using your smartphone, please. But if you are not using your smartphone, you are using laptop, no problem, you can log in using Google. So but if you are using your smartphone, log in with Chrome. So let me show you. Oh yeah, click Chrome, come to search Fiverr. This is it here. I click on it. Then I already have an account with Fiverr. Then I will log in to my account. But if you don't have Fiverr account, to create one, once you have a Gmail or Facebook, you can easily create one. So you can see where this fiverr.com, there is a key here. So you click on it. This the link. So, and this link now is all about people that is doing YouTube SEO. So whenever people click on it, it's going to bring them to a gig that is actually selling SEO for YouTube ranking. So you click on get a link copied. Okay, so it's not all. If you share this link to your YouTube or Facebook, wherever that you want to promote this link, you are not going to get paid. So all you need to do now is to log into your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Then you click on Fiverr affiliate. Fiverr, okay, sorry, Fiverr affiliate. Okay, Fiverr, this is it here. Okay, then this is it. Okay, for me, I already have account with them. Then what I need to do now is to sign in. you know but if you don't have, you can click on sign up and create account. It's very very easy. I've already made a video on how you can do that. So if you want to know how to do it, watch this video till end. At the very end of this video, I'm going to leave the link of the video so you can watch it and see how you can join them. So for me, I've already have account. Then I click on it and I sign in to my dashboard. Wow, loading. Let's give it a Y. So let's give it a Y. So this is it. Here is my dashboard. So to get your unique link, so whenever you share it on your social media, people click on it and buy anything from Fiverr, you are going to get a commission. You click on this, their navigation bar. So this dashboard, Fiverr affiliate dashboard. So you click on this where is it? Is okay. This is marketing tools, default and deep link. You click on it. So the URL that you copied from Fiverr account, you paste it here. Then you hit okay. This is it now. So uh if you want to, anyone that you copy from here is either you copy Fiverr CPA, or you copy a Fiverr hybrid, or Fiverr learn, or Fiverr business, or Fiverr sub affiliate. So this one now, this Fiverr sub affiliate, is that if you use this link, you know it's all about, if you want to send people to register on Fiverr, so use a Fiverr sub affiliate. This means that whenever those people keep on buying something, you are going to be getting a commission, or whatever that person is actually, a promoter promoting Fiverr. Whatever commission the person make, you get some 10% of the commission. So this is the link that you actually copy. Fiverr CPA link copied. So whenever you share this link, even though on your TikTok account, your Facebook, your YouTube, your website, anywhere that you share this link, now when people click on it and buy something from Fiverr, you are going to get what? Commission. So this is how to do it. And if you are actually if you have a website and you want to use a widget, so this is the widget. So this is actually people that have a website, you know. So that is it for now. So as you can see, it's very simple.